Hello everyone. In this video, we will look into prototype design pattern of type creational using a very simple example. In e-commerce application, sellers often create many similar products. For example, iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Plus. All of them are similar with similar differences. So instead of creating every product from scratch, we can copy an existing product and modify it. This is what exactly prototype pattern solves. So now let's look into the bad approach. Here we are creating products again and again manually. So if you see the product 1 we created from scratch, and here product 2 and product 3 also we are creating from scratch. This is fine for these two fields, but imagine in real life application there could be dozens of fields like category, seller, stock, discount, coupon code, shipping info, all of these. Then creating the similar products again and again like this could be painful. Like in this example, we are just creating a constructor and passing the values. But in real world applications, it has to go through many business logic conditions and it has to hit the database and needs to get the data from different sources and form the product. So doing the same stuff again and again would be a waste of computational power, and we don't want to redo the same work that we did earlier, right? So that's where this prototype comes. Let me quickly run this. See, you can see the correct details, but in the coding point of view, we are creating each product from base again. Now let's solve this using the prototype design pattern. So if we look into this product, here we are creating the two fields, name and price. And if you look into this method, which is what the prototype method looks like. So basically we are cloning the base product. We are replicating the base product. So when we use that replica for the next product, we don't have to go through all the business logic again and again. We don't have to hit the database again and again. So if you look into this, we are creating the base product here. For the second product, we are just cloning that with the help of this copy method. This creates a duplicate object and returns it. So here you may have some doubts like what is clonable. So the clonable is a marker interface. So it tells the JVM that this object supports cloning. In our demo, we are not using any Java inbuilt clone method directly. Instead, we are just returning a duplicate object, which is nothing but a base object. So we are just cloning the same product and we are updating the name and price. Same for the product 2 as well. We are just cloning this base product and we are updating the name to iPhone 15 Plus and the price to 900. Let me run this. There you go. You can see these details here. So now creating similar products become very easy. In a nutshell, prototype design pattern means instead of building an object again and again, we create one base object and then clone it. So the existing object acts like a template. That is what the prototype design pattern is. To quickly wrap up, bad version is like creating similar objects repeatedly from scratch. But in the good version, we just clone an existing object and modify small changes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.